What's up, YouTube? Check out the winter wonderland. It's like mid-October and there's a ton of snow, but that's okay. Anyway, we decided to come up to the cabin for the weekend, and while we're here, I want to grab a log and do a little rough milling because I want to build a desk soon, and so I want to get some pieces of wood drying out. So I'll show you what I got here. This is just a chunk of wood that I knocked down a couple years ago probably. It is aspen, which is kind of weird. Not a lot of people build stuff out of aspen, but we've got so much of it here, and all I really want it for is a desk. And sometimes when you cut aspen open, the colors inside are really cool. So that's the plan for this afternoon, is we're going to do a little chainsaw work. Okay, so we're just getting these logs set up here. And what I'm doing is I'm actually just cutting some cribbing so that I can set these logs up. But you can see, if I can get a shot here, you can see we ran into some rot there. So I've actually sectioned this back a bit. And this piece is actually pretty sound. Aspen's really bad for that, but like I said before, it's a desk for me, and it seems a shame to cut down one of these beautiful spruce trees. And I kind of like the way Aspen looks, and it'll, once it's all varathane and everything, it'll be pretty good. So anyway, back to it.
I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday night. Remember seeing you just dancing in the middle of the crowd. There was something about you, cause you got stuck in my mind. Stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give it a go and I started talking to you. I don't know what I said, but the next thing I knew is that I held you in my arms and you asked what we should do. What should we do? What should we do? I said you can do what you want to with me. Yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna club and we started walking the streets, and then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? Happening, happening. I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under streetlights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me. Yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I'm falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I'm falling for ya. Falling for ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. Met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark. I wanna hold ya.
All right, guys, we are all done. We got those pieces put in the truck, and now I got to load some firewood and put my topper on and a few different things, but I thought I would leave you here. So thanks for the watch. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.